Introducing VidPalAI. Craft high-impact GPT-4 powered whiteboard sales videos, business ads, product promos, informational videos, squeeze page videos, and explainer/tutorial videos, drive traffic, boost conversions, and skyrocket sales in hot niches. Ultra fast. Powerful. Guaranteed. Agency license available. Business ad demo video. Informational demo video. Tutorial demo video. Squeeze page demo video. Product promo demo video. Sales demo video. Loaded with advanced AI technology combined in one platform for marketers and creators. Video creator and editor. An easy-to-use whiteboard video creator that needs no technical skills even if you're creating your first ever video. If you can point and click, you're good to go. There are not just one but multiple ways to create videos. AI script creation for videos. An AI tool that instantly generates highly engaging video scripts for your products, ads, services, courses, and landing pages for any topic. Just enter a few product details, click the button, and your script is ready in seconds. Quickly convert it into a stunning video with a few clicks in the whiteboard video generator. Sales videos, just enter product details. Videos for business ads, enter business name, type, content. Informational videos, enter topic. Product promotional videos, enter product URL, name, type, info. Videos for squeeze page, enter freebie name, type, audience level. Explainer and tutorial videos, enter course name, type. Create videos using searchable images. This option allows you to search images from social media and convert them into videos. You can search and get from 5 to 20 photos within the tool. All you need to do is enter keywords, and our tool will find you photos from social media. Create videos directly from image URLs. This allows you to instantly turn images from anywhere on the web into videos. Go to Import and add URLs from where you want images. Add URLs and load images. Once you are done, you can convert them into a video. Create videos by uploading images from local. Click on the Upload option, choose image file to upload. Once uploaded, you can choose HD quality of the video, select audio file, and upload a voiceover. Process and generate a video with voiceover. Easy-to-use video editor. Tasks that take hours using standard video editors are reduced to just a few simple clicks. Here, you can add, remove watermarks, logo, add text, crop, trim, and edit the videos in so many ways. Generate thumbnails, speed, rotate, trim, reverse, edit videos. Add background music, animation, voiceover, watermarks, etc. Perform text alignment, top/bottom/left/right/no alignment. Captivating background music. Choose from a stunning collection of music files for every theme, new day, summer party, island vibes, Venice beach, and so many more. Auto slide break and auto line break. We make it easier for you. Slide breaks and line breaks are automated. Just copy the script in the text box and hit generate. No need to do it manually. In other words, the app automatically generates the slides for you. You can edit them if you wish. Your animation, your way. Choose from a variety of styles, fade in, fade out, vertical shuffle, horizontal shuffle, blink, or no animation. Edit videos uploaded from local PC with built-in editor. This is an incredible feature which lets you edit any video that you upload locally from your PC. Just upload the video file from your PC into the editor, edit and create a new video from it. Video storage included. Up to 1 GB. Store your videos in the My Videos section. Up to 1 GB. Our video compression is very good, so you can store a lot of videos. As a business, you can have several streams of income. Sell AI-generated whiteboard videos, business ads, product promos, informational, squeeze page, explainer and tutorial videos, and others to business owners. Sell unlimited attention-grabbing videos for social media channels to brands, businesses, and influencers. Sell lead generation services and video sales campaigns for brands and businesses. Sell unlimited whiteboard training video courses with PLR. PLR producers, this is your golden ticket to success. The PLR industry is a goldmine, and VidPalAI is your shovel. Harness the power of VidPalAI to create captivating whiteboard videos on a multitude of topics. You can craft high-value training programs that sell like hotcakes, all with PLR rights, and see jaw-dropping profits, raking in 6 figures or more by selling them. By creating whiteboard training video courses with VidPalAI, you can save time and money on course creation. Get VidPalAI today and watch your PLR empire grow faster than you ever imagined. Just $16.95 for agency license, once plus 30-day money-back guarantee. VidPalAI is the game-changing video software you have been waiting for. Dominate the digital realm. In the world of online business, grabbing attention is half the battle. Our software empowers you to create mesmerizing whiteboard videos that captivate, engage, and leave your competitors in the dust. Crunching the numbers. Whiteboard videos have been proven to increase conversion rates by up to 150%. Imagine the profits waiting for you. Outshine the competition. In the crowded digital landscape, you need a unique edge. Our software lets you craft visually stunning stories that resonate with your audience and set you apart. ROI Rocket Fuel. Buckle up for a mind-blowing ROI of 500% or more. This investment isn't just about growth, it's about explosive, life-changing wealth. Zero skill required. No need to be an artistic genius. Our intuitive interface lets you drag, drop, and customize your way to pro-level whiteboard animations. Your success is just a few clicks away. Zero business setup cost. You need to not pay anything for setting up your own video creation AI business. Our agency license empowers you to effortlessly set up your business without any upfront costs or overheads. Virality on demand. Share your whiteboard videos across your empire, websites, social media, email funnels, and watch as your reach expands faster than you ever imagined. Claim your business throne. Countless business magnates have already harnessed whiteboard videos to rake in fortunes. Now it's your turn to ascend the throne of online wealth. Is VidPalAI worth your time and investment? And should you use it? Well, here's what we've proven. About. VidPalAI works really well. It is a workforce of ChatGPT-4-powered apps with instant script creation for excellence in video creation. It could catapult your revenue to new heights. Do it for your clients and make profits for life. OpenAI-powered VidPalAI is laser-focused on what you need to succeed in your business by providing you with the tools to get truckloads of buyers' traffic, passive profits from videos, more income as a result of more clients, more savings thanks to more income, less work by using automation, a lifestyle of freedom thanks to technology. All of the above can help you create the life of your dreams. This tool generates profits for us like clockwork, and we believe it will work for you too. This is a unique opportunity, nothing like it currently exists on the market. You get a groundbreaking GPT-4-powered video creator app for the hottest categories of videos, which act like sales magnets for businesses. Imagine the time and effort saved. You can utilize the saved time for more important business decisions. This software could have easily cost you thousands of dollars. Let the numbers speak for themselves. Here's the real-life value of your investment. Create hundreds of attention-grabbing whiteboard videos for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, etc. $9.97 plus value. Create whiteboard videos for online courses or educational, explainer, informational videos $1,000 value. Create videos for product promotions, business ads, pay to copywriters and ad creators $599 value. Video creation software subscriptions $97 per month value. Single video editing cost $100 to $200 per video. AI voiceover script generation $50 to $100 per script. Agency license cost $497 value. Step-by-step training videos $257 value. 24/7 support priceless. A simple project can cost you anywhere between $3,000 to $4,000. Or maybe thousands more. But today you get everything at just a low one-time payment. You are completely at zero risk with our product. Our awesome VidPalAI comes with a special 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. If, at any time within 30 days of purchasing, you are not 100% satisfied, you may return it to us for a refund. No questions asked. Your satisfaction is our primary concern.